pamumuno ni Tita Penny. Ayan. Alalahanin health is wealth. So, galing mag-exercise. At least 3 times a week tayong magpapawis para makaiwas sa sakit. Mapalakas ang ating katawan at ating resistensya. Go, go, go! Prevention is better than cure. So, dance it out. Spread it out. Set it out and work it out. Go, go, go! Ayan ang ating Team Balot. Ito lang po yan sa Balot Compound. Ayan. Ang ating mga Team Balot. Good morning, good morning. You know, prevention is better than cure. So dance it out. Spread it out. Stretch it out and work it out. Ayan ang ating Team Balot. Ayan. Yun, no? Kasama ni Press Alma ang kanyang hobby. Ayan. Dahil kahit na ni Press Alma ang kanyang hobby. Ayan, no? Ang ating Team Balot. Good morning, good morning. Napaka-seryoso naman na, Rhea. Ayaw man lang umiti sa camera, yun. Kaway-kaway. Hello po, good morning. Ganado tong si batang pinabili ng suka, Rhea. Ganado. Batang may gana. Umiinom ng Bear Brand ba yun? Ay, Bonakik pala. Sorry. Bonakik po. Batang may gana. Yan, dito tayo ka. Yan o, ganda ng bulaklak nila, Tita Penny. Kasi sing ganda nila ang bulaklak ng gumamela.